Hey, what's up everybody? So today on the way to an airport to take care of one of our regular clients. Got a Gulfstream. I'm going to be washing it, also doing a interior detail. We're going to be washing it with EXQUISITEMAD all surface safe soap, Palo surface safe soap. Going to be demonstrating that for y'all. The soaps are available on our website. You can go pick them up right there. You can go ahead and buy them. Alright, so everyone out here getting ready to start on this Gulfstream, and as you can see, it's a G5, and got to clean up brightwork, got to clean up a lot of stuff. Love, there's a lot of love, but coming all the way around, I'm going to show y'all here. This needs to be cleaned. That looks awful. Got this all underneath here. It's be washed up. You can just see it's a little nasty. It's a little nasty. So coming all the way around. That's pretty gross and disgusting. Yes, it does need to be cleaned. It is rough, y'all. Rough. It's a dirty dog. So yeah, all this stuff needs to be cleaned. Coming all the way through. All the way through. You see this. I mean, this is gross. But yeah, I'll show you all here. You know, this wing needs to be done. But you can just see it's in desperate need of some TLC. You can see that. So, I'm using the EXQUISITEMAD all surface safe soap here. And as you can see, it already break down the grease on this landing gear. You see it there? You can kind of take a look, you can see it all underneath here. It's breaking it down. So this soap and this degreaser can be used as a wet wash or dry wash, or what I'm going to be showing y'all, contactless wash system. So in other words, touchless. And it can be used on airplanes, trucks, SUVs, big rigs, you name it, and it won't hurt anything. But I'm going to show you up close here. Look at that. So and as I'm spraying this, you see it immediately on contact start to break it down. You can just see that happening in real time with this. Like I said, it's all surface safe, so it just breaks down grease, breaks down funk, nasty stuff. You just see it. Let me show you over here what it's doing. Want to see that? What's going on, everybody? So on the Gulfstream G550 today, and gonna be doing interior detail. It's gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna be talking to y'all as I'm doing this, and after everything is detailed, cleaned, and then detailed, beautified, I'm gonna do a carpet extraction, cleaning up the granite first, and then moving on to other things. Gotta clean this up first. I'm gonna be coming through. We have a GPU going right now, so we'll have power on the airplane, which is nice. It's pretty neat. Going back here to the lab. Get ready to move on to the next thing. That is going to be the wood. So I'm going to put this up here, and these towels are cleaned. Go ahead and this wood all cleaned up. Polish, EXQUISITEMAD wood polish does work on furniture. Of course, at home, it's good enough for a multi-million-dollar jet. It's good enough for your furniture at home. It's good enough for pretty much anything. This is mahogany that this is. This also works on finished teak. If you have a yacht, it also works on the same thing. Wood polish will be available on sale on our website. Okay. So what I'm about to show you is how dirty this is. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. Go ahead and show you how this leather cleaner works. See that before, after. See that, just from that to that. Look at that, off that seat, just grossness. So, that's what I'm using. It's a leather cleaner, and give me just one sec. No brushes, no steam, none of that jazz. Steam will actually hurt leather, it'll dry it out. Being that this is on a $50 million jet right now, it's not something that we want to do or risk at all. The idea is to preserve, to protect. That's all that we're doing. Cleaning it. Everyone's so wrapped up on the inside of this Gulfstream. Shampooed all the carpets, as you can see. All the wood's done. Leather, you already seen all that. Also the galley is done. All the way out to the baggage compartment. All the way back here. All the way. Just like that. And let me show you. Backing up. As you can see, looks good. Looks beautiful. This looks good. Seats. Floors. Looks gorgeous, y'all. Kind of taking you back. Here's that seat. Look, awesome. Everything is good. As you can see. Looks pretty so. Now just have to shampoo. The scratches is still there, but did dull up quite a bit. So it looks a lot better. So gonna shampoo the rugs, and then from there get everything picked up and head out and go to the next place. So see y'all in just a little bit. Catch y'all in the next video. Bye bye.